to my forest, but it's not mine to claim. I'd say I'm not in control, that I lose all the fame of people talking me up for things I don't deserve. But now I'm in my forest, where my voice can be heard.
My voice can be heard. My voice can be heard.
Where my voice can be heard. This life is a background noise that I use to drown out the down sound of walking around, not knowing where to turn. So I spent my life in pursuit of this place that I know for now I have earned. So for now, please world, listen to my words. I've seen so many friendships fade away from being shown the wrong way. And I'm here to tell you now that my forest is the place to find your way. The place to find your way. Think about what you're doing. Think about how you can be better than you've ever been before. That's what my forest is here for. To open your mind to the life that I had in mind. The life that I'm proud to call mine. The life that I've sculpted and had to break down time and time until I found the life that will last for all time.